With all of the things going on in the world right now, being technology savvy is a necessity if you want to make the most out of your teaching. But in this video, I will show you how simple and quick it is to make a video lesson that you can use for distance learning. Hi, my name is Ricardo and I am a math junior high school teacher. In this video, I will show you how you can create your very own video and publish it within minutes. This will be a part of a mini-series where I will show you different methods for different devices. I will also present to you my preferred whiteboard app that I use in my recordings. First, there are a couple things you will need. You will need a tablet of your choice, a digital writing utensil of your choice, an app called Explain Everything, and also an upload site of your choice, which can be either Google Drive, YouTube, or anything else where you want to share your video. What's amazing about the app Explain Everything is that you can use it in your iPad, Android device, Chromebook, or web browser. In another video, I will show you how you can use this app on your laptop, Chromebook, or desktop computer. I'm using an older iPad Pro 10.5-inch model and a first generation Apple Pencil, but feel free to substitute it with a tablet of your choice. This video will not go into detail about how to create video lessons using all the devices. Instead, like the title of my video suggests, I will be focusing on iPad, but I will make a video in the future about the other devices, such as a Chromebook, laptop, or desktop computer. If you are using an Android device, you can still follow along, and there are other styli options that you can choose from, like an AutoKnit, Wacom, or just any regular styli that you can get at a dollar store. Okay, we'll start out by setting up the iPad and the recording. On my iPad, I will use the screen recording feature to create the video lessons. You can find this feature by swiping down on the top right of your screen, and it should be the circle icon. If you do not see it there, you will have to go to the Settings app, then choose the Control Center and Customize Controls. From here, you can add or remove certain functions. Add the screen recording control and head back to your home screen. To start a recording, tap on the recording button and it will begin a 3-second countdown. You will notice that it is blinking red, which lets you know that you have started recording. If you go back to your home screen, you will also notice a red recording icon on the top right. To stop a recording, tap on the red icon on the top right and select Stop. My recordings are set to save in the Photos app, so I will go there to view my recordings and see if it is what I want. From here, you can share your video by tapping on the arrow with the box icon on the top left of the screen. I like to send my video to my Google Drive and then share the link to my students. If you want to upload to YouTube, you will have to open the YouTube app, as you cannot upload directly from the Photos app as of the making of this video. So go to your YouTube app, then on the top right of your screen, you will notice a video camera icon. Tap on this icon and select the video that you wish to upload. That's all you really need to know on how to make a basic video. Going back to the app Explain Everything, I do want to note that the version I am using is a paid version, but there are a couple of choices that you can make, especially if you're an educator. I am not being sponsored by them, but if anybody from Explain Everything is watching this video, just know that I'm available. I just think that this app is awesome and I have been using it for the last 3 years. If you just want to get started and see if the app is right for you, you can start off for free. Just know that there are a few limitations, but you are pretty much good to go from there. Normally, the app will cost $69.99 per year, but since I am a teacher, I am only paying the $24.99 per user per year, which allows me to create an unlimited amount of projects, slides, and more. There's also a third option where it is $9 per user per year, but you need to have at least a team of 10 users. So if this is something that your school wants to try out, that would be a good choice. Okay, this video will not do a complete breakdown of the app. For the sake of time, I will do that in another video. For this video, all you need to know is how to start a project, write, and save and exit. To start a project, you will need to click on the giant plus icon that says New Project and choose the blank canvas option. On the left side, you will have some options to choose from. Let's click on the pen tool and notice how we have a set of colors to choose from. If you don't like these colors, you can always change them by tapping on the color and tapping on the circle with a plus in the center to choose any color possible. You can also adjust the darkness of the color by dragging this slider, Or if you want to match colors, you can also select the eyedropper tool. There's also highlighters, erasers, shapes, and so much more. For a complete breakdown of this app, stay tuned for a future video. Now, what if you want to write on a document? How will we do that? Well, you can import your own images and files by choosing this icon. I don't know how to describe it, so I'll just point to it. You can import from a variety of programs, but if you find something online and don't have it saved here, you can also import it from the web, which is what I normally do. So let me open a Pizzazz worksheet I found online, and let's say I like page 12. On the top right of your screen, select the share option again, that is the one to the left of the plus icon, and let's choose our app, Explain Everything. If you don't see it in your choices, click on More, and then scroll down until you find it. Now, we don't want to import all the files, so I will deselect all and choose the page that I wanted, which was page 12, and then insert it into the app. From here, I like to save and close my project and then open it again, so if I make any changes that I don't want, I can always go back to the original easily and quickly. From here, you can start your screen recording by swiping down on the top right corner of your screen and then begin writing on the page. You might notice that you don't have the red recording icon on the top right corner of your screen right now, but you can go back to your home page and see it there, so just know that you actually are recording. You could stop the video right here, so you could click on the red icon right now to stop the video, or you could also swipe down on the top right corner of your screen if you want to stop it that way. Once you are done, you can share and upload it as mentioned earlier in this video. I hope you enjoyed this first video in my series and on my YouTube channel. If you did, please leave a like and share it with your colleagues. If there are questions that you might have, leave it down on the comments below. If there's also a specific video that you want me to make next, leave a comment and I might make it. I tried to keep this video basic, but in the future I plan on making more videos talking about the app, explain everything, and doing a more thorough explanation of all of its features. I also plan on making videos about what software I use to record and edit my sound and video, which music to choose and where to get it, online resources, coding tutorials, and so much more. If you like this video, leave a like so that I know what I am doing is useful to you, and it will motivate me to push out more new content. If you don't want to miss out, hit that subscribe button to be notified when I release new videos. Just don't hit the subscribe button too hard. It hasn't done anything wrong yet. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, stay safe, and I will see you all next time.